Let's hope that's got the femoral nerve.
OK, thanks, Adam. Right, Jeffrey, can we transfer onto a board, please?
Don't make it any worse.
Well, I think your family have done this once or twice before, mate.
Wait, what's that noise?
Is he outside?
Probably. Should we just leave her here?
No, someone should check the rest of the building.
One job at a time, Jeff.
1, 2.
Paramedics, not renowned for their multitasking.
Oh, you just keep smiling for the cameras, Dr. Slick.
Hey, Nicola, who's your leading man? Dr. Slick or Mr. Slack?
My feet are hot. What are you calling slack?
OK, boys, can we just calm down, please? Stop shaking them tail feathers, thank you very much.
Feet are hot. Yeah, well, put some shoes on then, mate. Oh, he's got a point, actually, Diggs. Call the fire brigade, eh? Let's get a wiggle on.
3004 to control, over.
Okay, backing up, quick as we can. Come on, people
Come on,
coming through
Michael.
here.
Come on, son. Michael, what are you doing? This is important.
Right, everyone stick together, please. Oh, my God. There's no way down. I can't breathe properly. It hurts.
Cut him up, mate. Come on, Adam, up!
I have to go back to the flat.
We're going up!
No, we've got to stay together. 3004 to control, over. Where's Simon Salmon?
What's he playing at?
Getting barbecued in here.
You got her?
Yeah.
Okay, wait here for me.
What are you doing?
Get down, Diggs.
Adam, what the bloody hell are you doing?
Adam, we've got to get upstairs!
The doctors? Rich?
Snobby. Jolly hoggy sticks. Toasted muffins for tea. Daddy put me through medical school to save the less fortunate.
It's not that they don't know what they're doing. They're just a bit soft, that's all. They don't like to get their hands dirty.
Exactly right. Ponces.
You can't say ponces, Jeffrey.
Adam, what are you playing? We haven't got time for this! Oh, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Come on, son. Come on, son. Come on, son.
Come on, son.
I've got you, I've got you. Come on.
We got you. All right. Okay, mate, come to me. Come to me, my darling. Come to me.
Come on, son. We're rolling outside.
Okay, I just need you to take some nice deep breaths, me sweetheart.
That's right, Joe. The firemen are coming.
What's going on?
Here we go, here we go.
We're going, Jack.
Come on, mate.
What's his name?
Joe.
You're a madman, you.
Can't let some paramedic take all the glory, can we?
Come on, Joe.
Let's get out of here.
Okay.
I got an old flame to rekindle.